How do I open Windows File Explorer to a specific folder? Hi everyone, Leo Notenboom here for askleo.com. Let's have a quick look at Explorer right here in Windows 10. If I start it up, it's going to start up wherever it starts up, right? It goes to a limited number of default settings I'm able to select. What people often want is the ability to say, pick a folder anywhere on their machine and actually have it open to that folder, like I'm showing you right now. The way to do that is actually surprisingly simple. What we're going to do is we're going to right-click on the desktop, click on New and Shortcut. That's our magic. Now, the resulting location, the location that you want to open is going to be %system root %. / explorer.exe. Explorer.exe is Windows File Explorer. We'll go space /e, which I'll explain in a moment, comma, and then the full path to the folder you want to have open. In my case, I want C:\T. If your path, if the path that you just typed in here would contain a space, then just put the whole thing in quotes. In other words, quote, in my case, quote C:\T. We will hit next. You can name this to be whatever you like. I'm going to go ahead and just call it explorer.exe. It's unfortunate because most of the time what we would like to do is call it C:\T, since that's what it's a shortcut to. Unfortunately, the backslash and the colon are not allowed in the name. So there really is no logical way to give it a meaningful name that really relates to your folder other than making up your own. I suppose I could say C-T as a way to do that, but choose a name that's meaningful for you. It just can't be the path that you just specified. And now hit finish. Boom, we're done. So if like I said, if I click on Windows File Explorer, it opens to wherever it opens. On the other hand, if I now double click on this shortcut that I've created, it opens to the folder that I asked it to open to. The /e, by the way, is what causes this pane on the left to appear automatically. Without it, you would just see the contents of the right-hand pane. So use that as you see fit. And of course, if you're done with that shortcut, if you're done with needing to open Windows File Explorer to that folder, you can always just right-click on it and hit delete, and it's gone. Hope that's helpful. For updates, for comments, for links related to this little trick and more, visit askleo.com/1984. I'm Leo Notenboom, and this is askleo.com. Thanks for watching.